Hello to all great entrepreneurs on this platform. Excellent afternoon to everyone. I trust our day has been wonderful. Yes, today is another wonderful day for another nugget. And what I'll be speaking about today is who will buy my products. Yes, the first thing every entrepreneur are always concerned about. Maybe you want to set out a business, you want to get any business started. The first thing everybody is always worried about is who will buy it from me. That is the first question every entrepreneur is always concerned about. So I'm here today to discuss this with you because having the necessary information to help us get better with our life and get better with our business makes a whole lot of sense. If you know and you are able to make necessary, get necessary information that can help you have an headway of what next to do and the confidence you need to build in order for you to have a very good startup with your business, it makes it very, very worthwhile. Yes, I'm so excited that a whole lot of us will be having, you know, a whole lot of people usually have the fear. Immediately they want to go into any business, they are thinking of who will buy the products. So the first thing I want you to recognize under this situation, you want to go into any business as a new startup, or you are already in business and you are concerned that what is really happening to my business? Why am I not striving in this business? Why is things not working out in this business? The first thing you should always remember to do is to ensure you make a research on that product or that business of yours. Personally, I deal with consumable items and I've been doing this business for quite a while. And I can categorically tell you that is one of the best type of business any entrepreneur can venture into. Even if you have any other thing you do, you can also give consumables an eye. We have different types of consumables. Yes, the things we eat, the things we use, but are discardable at every point in time. Maybe, like food, you cannot reuse food, or and that makes it consumable, that you use and discard. You don't have to use it over and over again. So you need to make a research. What are the things that people can really take that are consumable or reusable that I can venture into? And the question is, who will buy from me? You will be able to tackle this question from inception. As you are starting up with your business, you'll be able to tackle it, that you have everybody to buy from you. When you make your research, type it on Google, type it on Udemy, type it on every platform, that who will buy, who are the people that are likely to buy this product from me? Do I have a higher chance of selling this product as an entrepreneur? You need to find out and make a research on products that you want to sell before you venture into it. All these things are part of the business plan that you need to put in place as an entrepreneur before going into any business. I personally, I have also had a burnt hands, in the course of venture into businesses without making research. But since I had that experience, it has taught me how to quickly ensure that I make a research on any venture that I want to go into. And that is why preaching about consumable gives me a very, very great joy, because I have tried to research this and realize that it's part of the best thing that you can go into, consumable. Things that you cannot go back to use again, but have to go back and buy. That is consumable. So as an entrepreneur, you need to search it out. Check on the Google. Look out for information about your product. Whatsoever you want to do. Is this viable? What does it rank? Does it rank as number one on marketing, priority list? Is this one of the things that anybody will want to always go back for at all time? It's not ordinary for anyone to just tell us that, look, this business is viable, and everybody rush into it. And that is why a lot of people have been scammed in one way or the other, because they don't take time to research whatever they want to do. And a whole lot of people always want a ready-made. and will not want to be taught on how to go by the process. And that is the gap business builders feels. We feel the gap of just ensuring that you have all the necessary information about that business you want to go into before going into it. So who will buy from me? Research it out yourself. Who are those that are likely to buy this product from me? Where are your viable markets? Where are they residing? Where are they located? Who are those people that are expected to buy this product from you? And is it going to be a very viable business as you have been told? All these things are information you need to always look out for before taking any business up. Like I'm mentoring teaching a lot of people on palm oil business lately because I have understudied the trend of that business. I have watched out how it goes and how the business runs. And I can teach it. And that is also applicable to any business. And that is why Business Builders is here to support anyone. If you don't have the time to do the research, put the load on us. We will do the research for you. We will get all the necessary information that you need about that business to be able to forge into it, or you rather keep up from it. The era we are is the era of having necessary information about that business you want to do before putting a whole lot of your money into it. Why will a retiree be told that this business is viable and you jump into it without even asking? Because this is your lifetime benefit. It is everything you have, and you need to know how best to manage it to be able to have it very reproductive. Because you don't have to get any salary again. Some still get pension. I don't know if it still runs, because there was some time that we are talking about stopping giving pension to people. So if you don't have any money coming from anywhere any longer, the gratuity and your settlement from wherever you work for years needs to be managed properly by putting in some stipend into making necessary research about that business that you want to venture into. And this is part of the service we give to every entrepreneur that is just starting newly, or if you are already in business and you are looking out for and help on how to go further in the journey of that business, we give all the support that is necessary. So as an entrepreneur, the first question you need to do is to search it out. And the second thing is to ask people, ask friends, ask families, ask people around you, what do you think about this business? Or rather, don't claim to be the one that wants to do it. Do as if you just want to try that product on few friends and families, helping out a friend of yours that wants to do the business. Because most of the time, people will want to buy from you as a friend or as a family because they believe they want to, for that being a starter, they want to support you, they want to help you. But rather, hide under the umbrella of just being a friend. You're helping a friend. What do you think about this product? A friend of mine is selling it. Do you need it? Do you feel is a product that you always want to get at a close of eyes? Is it very important? A lot of you, maybe you do a 10 numbers, sampling out of family and friends. Do a 10 in number sampling. Friend, please help me to look at those products. How do you feel about it? A friend of mine is selling it. Will you want to buy it if she brings the product to you? You ask from their view about the product. Do some samplings of friends, a survey. That is the best, a survey. This is a whole lot of things we teach our people on how to get them, but I'm giving the free tip here because I want a lot of entrepreneurs attached to this Business Builders group support and page to have first-hand information. And if you want to go further, then look, I don't have the time, help us to do this research, help us to do this survey. We will give you all the necessary support that you need for you to be able to make a judgmental decision about if or not to go ahead with the business. And that is what we basically do. And that is more of why we have decided to always do a whole lot of trainings on viable businesses that we have personally tested and seen to be viable, so that you won't have to make mistakes of just going into things that you don't know about. And that is why you need to help us share this live as many times as possible. So the third thing you can do, if you really want to know if this product, who will buy this product from me, who is likely to get this product from me, you can also do a pre-sales, a pre-order. Tell your friends, I have this product, I have this product, I have this product, I have this product, I have this product. Tell them, and the product is coming next week, is coming in a month's time, I want you to buy from me. In the few period of just doing a pre-sale, you will be able to know the quantity of product you can sell at a go. And this is very important. As an entrepreneur, it's not ordinarily doing it with friends and families. You can also do like an advert, maybe a 5,000, a 2,000, a 3,000 worth of advertisement for pre-ordering, for people to pre-order ahead of the products. Try to sensitize the environment, not ordinarily with friends and families. Because if friends and families decide to, okay, bring it, and they tell you, you order the products and you give to them, they might not have a repurchase. They might not come back to buy again because they have used the first time to just support you. So it's always best for you to ask or view or make a research on people that are not known to you, people that you don't have any clue, that doesn't have any clue about you. They will be frank, and the comments under your advert will give you an insight about what is really up to with the business, what the business is really up to, what is really obtainable with the business. So we have a whole lot of steps we take our clients through in order to help them and support them make a very good judgment about the business they want to go into. So if we are a fresher, you don't have mind of any business at all, or you even have a mind of one, but you don't have clues about anything that has to do with the business, this platform, it is the best platform that you can always trust and believe to get the first-hand information on what to do. So this major 3 points is what you can use with more other things that we also put together to help you get a very conclusive decision about whether or not to go into that business, or who are those to buy from you. So in the process of sensitizing, you can easily know who will buy your product from you. So I'm so glad that you attended this live today with me. I'm so very glad. Teresa Obadon, this is a great woman, waxing stronger with her business. I trust your food business is doing very well. Thank you so much for joining me this live today. So that is just a few points, and I want you to go back home remembering that you are a woman and you are a man of substance, and you are destined for greatness, and you are destined to impact your generation. So no barrier should hold you down. I had a training yesterday on why you need to keep moving with your dreams, even if it seems not very, very visible, even if you are not seeing any positivity or any green light. Remember, there is always a light at the end of the tunnel, and all you need to do, I've explained in that video, you need to go to yesterday's live video and listen to what we have for you there. So today is just about the starters, and for those that are already in business that are confused, they don't know what to do, you want to cite out where to get your customers from, just come on Business Builders and we will support you with necessary trainings that will enable you achieve those. So excited to be here this afternoon. I believe someone has been impacted. Olayinka Oremade is my name. I have a businesswoman trading in consumable item business for the past 16 years running. And I'm always very happy to impact somebody with the necessary tips, support, and information that can help them get the necessary, lift in their business. All we do is just to help ourselves and help a lot of people around us. So thank you so much for joining in. Thank you to Mrs. Obad. It's a pleasure having you here. So go straight into the page and listen to a lot of impactful videos we have for you. And in case you need to talk to somebody, we are not very far from you. We are just a step away from you. All you need is to come into our inbox. You can chat us up on 081-1403-8890. In case you need to talk to somebody, chat us up on 081-1403-8890 for any information that you so desire. will be very available to attend to you. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.